Effective property maintenance, particularly in the context of render cleaning, is pivotal in preserving aesthetics and structural integrity. The question often arises about the longevity of render cleaning and its ability to offer enduring protection. Let's examine the practical elements that influence the duration of render cleaning, focusing on the effectiveness of Lightning Cleanze solution. The foundations of render cleaning. Render cleaning, a cornerstone of exterior surface maintenance, involves meticulously removing contaminants. Fundamental factors influence the sustainability of cleanliness. Environmental dynamics. Local climates such as humidity, perception and pollution levels decisively determine the rate at which surfaces accumulate dirt and biological growth. Cleaning methodologies. The selection of cleaning methods, whether it be pressure washing, soft washing or chemical treatments, plays a pivotal role in determining the temporal effectiveness of the cleaning process. A detailed examination of Lightning Cleanze solution. Lightning Cleanze solution emerges as the cutting-edge cleaning solution, offering immediate cleansing and robust protection capabilities. Dual action efficiency. Lightning Cleanze solution distinguishes itself with a highly effective dual action formula, effectively eradicating existing dirt and algae and establishing a protective barrier on surfaces. Enduring protection. The enduring protection of Lightning Cleanze solution is achieved by creating a hydrophobic layer, actively repelling water and effectively stopping the adhesion of pollutants for a sustained clean appearance. Precision in application and continuous maintenance. To maximise the effectiveness of render cleaning, emphasis is placed on precise application and ongoing maintenance. Strategic application. Entrusting professionals for the application of Lightning Cleanze solution ensures precision, with experts interpreting the unique requirements of the building and tailoring the process for optimal results. Vigilant maintenance protocols. Regular inspections and maintenance checks serve as vigilant preludes, prompting identifying signs of recontamination. A structured maintenance routine, including periodic reapplication of Lightning Cleanze solution when necessary, further fortifies the lasting protection it provides. Render cleaning is not just a practical necessity, it's an investment in the long-term health of your property. With its dual action efficiency and lasting protection, Lightning Cleanze solution stands out as a comprehensive choice for property owners seeking effective and sustained results. By embracing practical considerations and advanced solutions like Lightning Cleanze, property owners can confidently ensure a prolonged defence against environmental contaminants.